Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. Swapnil with me today. 90 each in PT. Everything, each and every skill on his scorecard is a perfect 90. Congratulations, Swapnil. Very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
I've seen you working hard. You have spent a lot of time in the lab. You have practiced a lot. Swapnil, you were missing out in reading and speaking from a few attempts. What do you think was there in your this particular attempt which was missing out in previous attempts, which helped you to get a perfect 90, not 8 each, 90 each? That is something very special.
First of all, behind my success story, the very first thing is the efforts that were made by Varun sir and every other faculty members. So I would be really thanking for them first of all. And after that, when I was doing my whole sections in PTE, I was struggling bit in speaking and reading as well. But after following the new strategies of in reading as in speaking and reading especially, I greatly created a great milestone in 90 each. So that
Hmm.
thank you so much, Varun sir.
That's
And if yeah, and after going to the lab sessions, basically the grammar section, that helped me a lot in understanding the reading, fill in the blanks. That helped me bring out the perfect 19 reading as well.
that's right, Swapnil. See, Swapnil, I've seen you working so hard in the lab. You, along with two or three of your friends, you used to have fun in the lab. You used to joke around. But yes, I know you used to study seriously as well. Swapnil, you had an option to study at home as well. But why did you choose not to study at home, rather be in the lab, spend 3 4 hours? Why did you choose to come in the lab, rather than just studying at home?
At home, basically, when I was studying by on my own, the basic thing that I was lacking behind was that I was not like giving a much time behind my studies. Like I was just giving 1 hour, and then after that I was taking 15 minutes break because I was not focusing more. But when I was going to on campus to study, I was getting a personalized feedback from all the tutors, and that
Hmm.
helped me in gaining the focus to study more, and even getting less breaks between all the study time.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that
That's
that
right.
helped me a lot.
That's right. One thing which I would like to point out over here is break time. When you are at home, you study for 15 minutes, you feel tired, lazy, and you feel hungry as well, right? Um,
That's
Very important. When you practice in the lab, you have others, practicing focused, and then you get that motivation that yes, if all others they're achieving this dream, they are running behind this dream, I have to do it as well. And yes, when you come in the lab, you get the feedback. At home, you think that you are doing right, but that can be wrong as well. But at in the lab, you have different opinions. You get to know the feedback, and you come to know that yes, these are things you need to work on. So, Swapnil, you have also taken a number of mock tests. How important are mock tests?
it's really important, first of all, because when on the start, I recall once, like when I was new in language, Varun sir came from behind and like, okay, what are you doing right now? I was saying like, I'm just practicing through all my strategies and everything. So he told me like, okay, stop everything. First of all, give a full mock, then we'll catch up like at what level you are, and then
Hmm.
he get like, and the marks that I gained in that first mock, that after that Varun sir gave me like all the important things that I have to focus on, and that particular focusing areas helped me a lot.
Hmm.
So mock tests are really important to get your level clear in your head, like at what level I am and what areas I need to focus
Hmm, that's 100% correct. Because when you just practice, you practice a question and then you relax. You don't have that time pressure. You're not nervous. But when you go and take the mock test, it's kind of a real exam. You have that nervousness. You have that pressure. And when you take the mock test for continuous 3 hours, you feel tired towards the end as well. And that is something which will reflect your real performance and real level. Very important that all of you take a few mock tests, see what mistakes you're making in the mock test as well, because when you practice you're likely to do perfect or you're likely to perform better. But make sure you take mock tests, see what mistakes you're making, and then work accordingly, have a plan in place, and get 90 each like Swapnil did. Swapnil, any advice Any tips for students out there? You have cleared your Nati Gujarati as well. You have now cleared
Yes.
PT with 90 each. Any advice for students who are missing by a few points in PT? What are the do's and what are the don'ts from your personal opinion?
Listen to the tutors first of all,
Mm-hmm.
because the strategies they give us, like that is more experience first of all. And in my personal experience, if I seek is like finish all the fill in the blanks first in all whole language
Correct.
academies portal.
Mm-hmm.
If you finish all the fill in the blanks and all the questions, the basic plus point you'll get is that in exam right now, what I think is PT Pearson don't have new questions to come up with, and they are just twisting the questions right now. So
Correct.
if we have gone, and the port language portal is like so much more advanced, and all the fill in the blanks and all the questions being covered, if you have gone through one question in your preparation time, it comes again in twisted in an exam, you will be
Mm.
having a best advantage in there.
That's right. That's right. Very important, as Swapnil has pointed out, that you need to make sure you practice, plus you practice from the right platform, you take feedback, you take as many mock tests, and most importantly, when you practice, practice to improve. Don't just practice to practice. You don't just need to practice just to show yourself you're practicing. You have to make sure, let's say you're practicing today, don't practice for 3 hours. It's better you practice for 2 hours or 1 hour, but that practice should be worth it. The time you spend should be worth it. The effort you are putting in, you need to get the output, you need to get the results. And once you do so, you will get a perfect 90 as well. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much again.
That's it from this video, guys. Remember this thing, if he has got 90 each, I've got 90 each, you can do it as well. First of all, don't aim for 8, aim for a perfect 90. That's how you are going to get your score. Plus, work consistently. Don't just take breaks every now and then. If you have started, make sure you finish it off. Plus, always ask for feedback and work hard in the right direction. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon. If you need any help, any advice, any tips, please give us a call, send us a message on this particular number, and we'll make sure you get your 25 points and get your permanent residency. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.